Hi and thank you for clicking on this video. In this video I will cover everything that I've done to my CSGO case simulator where I started working on 3 months ago. The project was lost for about 2 months, but because you guys kept on sending messages to me, I had no other choice but to update this project the best I could. Because it has been 3 months, I also decided to upgrade to a newer Unity version, because the new functionalities were looking delicious. But that screwed my project and I had to remake my entire case opening system. But now let me tell you what I've done. I made a login system, a register system, new UI, new fonts, email verification, case updates, a database, coins and so much more. I also finally decided to turn this project into an application that I will publish on the Google Play Store. But more of that when my application is actually ready for the public. So I made this juicy login screen that will pop up when you open the app for the first time, where you can enter your email and passwords. Don't have an account yet? No worries. I also made this incredible looking register system. You can even choose your own username that doesn't do anything at all yet. Maybe I will consider removing the username part from my app, cause I don't know what to do with it actually. Once you register, you will get email verification and all that kind of stuff. But during the process of coding, I had this one thing in my mind that was bothering me for a bit. And the name of that thing is security issues. These days you have to be very careful where you enter your credentials and what you enter. I have almost lost my Google account before because I entered my credentials in some kind of a scamming website, and I can tell you that it sucks very hard. They get your email, they get your passwords, and they can even get access to bank accounts you own. So I made my database the way that it only stores your email address and the number of coins you have. There's no way for me to see your password and it doesn't get stored at any point. I put a lot of time in the system, and maybe you think this isn't interesting at all, but I think that making a good security system for an application, a website or another thing is a very important and crucial part in game development. Maybe you haven't seen it yet, but I also made this very cool looking background, inspired from CSGO of course. And maybe I've also stolen it from the internet, but yeah, I prefer calling it borrowing. So what happens after all this login bullshit? You get to the main screen. A lot has changed on here since the last devlog. I added some buttons on the top, but they aren't working yet. I added a bar on the bottom of the screen that will allow you to earn some free cases by watching ads or playing some game modes that I will add soon. And for the attentive viewers, I also added Unity's particle system. The background is just black at the moment, but I will probably change it with my self-made background. Yeah, so I said that I will change it with a self-made background, of course. And I added a little counter on top to keep track of the coins you earn. Wow, epic. When I finally decide to record a video, it starts hailing outside. Nice. I haven't changed much to the cases yet. When you try to open one, it asks you to confirm your case, and I added some quick math to show you how many coins you will have after opening a case. So that's everything that changed to the case simulator so far. I also came up with a very cool name for the app, and that's CSGO Skinnies. Yeah, I know, it's very original and epic, and yeah. As I already said, I will publish this application in a couple of months on the Google Play Store. The first 50 people who join my Discord server and go to the CSGO Skinnies channel and type "I want free coins" will get some free coins when making their account whenever my application goes live on the Play Store. In the upcoming week I will be expanding my application the best I can, and I will go live sometimes. So you guys can come up with some crazy ideas. For example, Kick It Then B came up with the idea to add some gun cases and add some very rare items with a very small drop rate in them. I think it's a very cool idea. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my content. Consider subscribing, and yeah, I will see you in the next week.